Guys, I'm Fontana Monique. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I repair, condition, detangle, and style human wigs. Using water and a wig brush, I'm going to detangle the wig. My client claimed the wig detangled every 10 to 15 minutes. The lace front is full of glue. The products that I'll be using to repair the wig: wash off the frontal using the Tresemme shampoo. Place wig on the mannequin head. Pin down the wig. Using the toothbrush and alcohol, clean off the frontal. Wash the wig with Tresemme shampoo. Use the silicone mix to condition the wig. Put the wig back on the mannequin head. I'm like, whoa, this could not be 100% human, as I thought when she was wearing the wig because it was tangled. For the price, this could not be real. So all this hair came out when I was detangling the wig. So now I blew out the wig, and now I'm going to start the sewing process. Now you will need wig clips, your bundles, fabric pins, sewing needle, wig brush, and scissors. And you want to start at the nape of the neck. When you get to the top of the wig, do not sew the wefts onto the lace frontal itself. The lace will rip eventually, leaving holes in the frontal. And I am actually sewing through the wefts. Once you've sewn all the wefts in place, recheck your wefts to make sure the wig is full. Leave the wig on the mannequin head if it's washable only. Rewash the wig to remove any leftover product that's still on the wig. Now for the styling process. The wig should be damp. I'm using the Cream of Nature styling mousse and flexi rods. I'm going to allow the wig to air dry for 24 hours. Now it's time to remove the flexi rods. Pull out the curls lightly with your fingers. You want to check the lace front middle part to make sure that it's even. Any questions or comments, leave them in the description box. Thank you guys for watching my channel. I'm Fontana Monique.